To build a computer, you're going to need a few essential components, which are the power supply, the motherboard, a CPU cooler, hard drives, a graphics card, at least one stick of RAM, and a computer case. Building a computer is very simple, and it's like putting the pieces of a puzzle together. To begin the build, the easiest part is to add the power supply, typically in the bottom left of the computer. Next, you will install the mounting screws into the case to raise the motherboard. After this, pop in the tin shield plate to prevent any more dust from entering the computer. Now, we will prepare the motherboard. You start off with the CPU chip, which is meant to go in without any force, as long as it is put in appropriately. Then you would push down the lever to secure the CPU in place. Note that a bit of force will be needed to push it down, and you will hear noises. This is alright. Now the CPU cooler will go onto the CPU. Note that this is a stock cooler, which has thermal paste already applied to it. All you do is align the cooler and push down the locks. Now we'll install the motherboard. You would align it with the mounting screws and begin to screw it into place. Make sure to screw the screws into a diamond formation to avoid damaging or warping the motherboard. Next, we'll install the stick of RAM, where you'll find an available slot and place it down teeth first. Push the RAM down and the RAM should be locked in place. Next, we'll install the graphics card. Just like the RAM, you would just pop it into place and then secure it even further with the thumb screw. We'll begin a bit of wire managing and install the wires that come with the power supply and the case. Now we'll add the hard drives. They are mounted in removable plates, and I am using a 1TB hard drive and a solid state drive for my computer build. We'll now install the SATA cables and the power cables into the power supply, the motherboard, and the hard drives. Finally, we'll install the PCI cables from the power supply and to the graphics card. The computer build is now finished and the computer is ready to go. Note that a bit more wire management could be used, but that is up to you and how your case is designed. Thanks for watching.